you doing? I'm Skip.
I'm George.
Nice to meet you, George. Wow, this is a rare beast. Tell me about this.
So this is a 1966 Marcos GT made in the UK. The name comes from two guys. One is Jim Marsh, the other is Frank Costin, the aerodynamicist.
And they merged the names.
Merged the names.
Love the lines on it.
Yeah, they're attractive. Built really low.
Yeah, I can see that. Right-hand drive. I see there's a lot of wood back here in the back. Wood sills, wood console, really pretty wooden dash. Can we look under the hood?
Yeah, sure. And lift. We're fine, it won't hit.
Oh, it has a catch?
Yeah, it does. Right at the end. See, it has authentic wood squeak to it.
Yeah. Actually, you can get in here and work on it.
It's running a Cosworth modified Ford 1500. If you've seen any of the early Formula car motors or Super 7 motors, they look kind of sort of like this.
What kind of wheels came on it originally? It didn't have mini lights on it, did it?
You could get mini lights.
Oh, really?
Could get, Marcos had their own magnesium alloy wheel, but the old magnesium wheels are great for show, but you don't want to drive them.
No. You don't want to have a fire either.
Yeah. Wood, magnesium, and fiberglass.
Oh yeah, that's a recipe. Now this has the look of a Hot Wheel.
That thing is hilarious. Little S10 pickup stuffed inside of a toolbox.
Caffeine and Octane is brought to you in part by Capital One Auto Navigator. Find and finance a car you love.
We are in Buford, Georgia, just outside of Atlanta, at the third Hot Wheels stop for 2019 Hot Wheels Legends.
Man, there's some great cars here, huh?
Great cars.
Nothing represents for me my childhood probably more than Hot Wheels, making jumps, making ramps, like dreaming of custom cars.
I see lots of cars, but here I'm looking for toys.
There's three big things we're looking for: garage spirit, creativity, and authenticity. They don't have to be 100% fabricated, but someone put a little bit of elbow grease into it. When we pick our Ultimate Legends winner at SEMA, we're going to make this car in 1/64 scale. A car that will be full size, we got to bring it down to 1/64 scale. Those details shrink down, so if we're looking for things that, if we've got a big spoiler, maybe there's an engine sticking out, some of those things might look great at 1/64.
The exhaust should be big, the motor should be big, the paint should just reach out and touch you.
Now this has the look of a Hot Wheel. This is a toolbox.
That toolbox, that thing is hilarious. Little S10 pickup stuffed inside of a toolbox with the fake tools.
If I was a kid and I had a Hot Wheel toolbox that the little drawers opened up and it's got big fat tires on the back, that's really fun.
Check out this low